part 2 of our part 2 of our necklace changing time of the older residents. This is Jade, our eldest, a 9-year-old tabby. A big good one. A big good one. Worn out. What would you like color, kuya? Kani?
Neon green.
You have the neon green, kuya? Ngayon, siya dark. Mo mag-white yung color, yung iog.
Sige, ilis ito.
Ano lang, wala ako sa mga.
Tungkol.
Ito lang brown niya.
Brown.
Swan lang niya. Green lang
may
niya.
green ang kon.
Yaya George, Yaya George. Yaya George. Yaya George, Yaya George. He is the one that will wake us up in the morning. Yaya. He is my certified guardian angel for more than one time. Yaya George. Hi. Yaya, wala na tayong nun niya nga. Mubalik mo. Gawas gan. Tawag ni Mama Kiss Papayo yan. Wala na ya. Imong partner sa siya.
Wala na.
Yung original body. Wala nakagwanta sa siya. Yaya George. Hi. A boogie also. But the tail is not boogie because it's crooked. Minus points is the tail. Kuya George. Only the face. Hi. Hi. Hello, everyone. Hello. Thank you. This is Rich. My only certified torty girl. Yes. Also came from Bukayan Tulambon, Duwaison. Hi. And you say hi to Papa Robert. Hi, Papa Rob. Hi, Papa Rob.
Sa ilke.
Very worn out. Kato pa mo siguro ng pag-abot nila nung dugay na. What do you want, Rich? You will have the pink one. Have the pink one because you're a girl. You have the pink and the red one, Rich. Have the pink one, Rich. Wait, Ma'am.
Gusto mo siyang patong ko na, mas kuya.
Klaro ba kang kuya, Rich? Dili na huot, ha? Rich.
Si Dong, sunod.
Si Dong, nalimutan mo. That's Rich. A very beautiful torty girl of Mama Tis. That's Rich. Healthy. Our 5-year-old white male cat. Who has been healed by here. Swollen here.
Swollen face.
Mams to?
Dili.
Ngipon to niya gums. Pero may daot yung ilaw.
Wala.
It's been healed by amoxicillin.
Antibiotic.
We'll have the dark one. This one, the brown one. For the white one. It's what for the eye strike.
Lagi. Strike kong si Dong. Strike kong si Dong.
Strike do. Una pang tuxedos. Hi. That's their trademark. These yarn necklaces of them. Whenever they'd be able to sneak outside, everybody knows that they are from this humble home of ours. The neighbors will just report. Your cat is there! Hiding, playing, climbing the tree. And that's it. Very good cat. My well-mannered cat. Etty. Well, I am waiting for the next one to change for the color. 3 of them are on my lap. There's Healthy, there's Eve, and there's the eldest, George. See? 3 cats on my lap. All of them wants cuddles, wants pets. Yaya, you're comfortable there, Yaya? Very bad boy.
Here you go.
Why are you murmuring? Huh? This is a papa's boy. A very spoiled one. Ano mag-murmur man?
Giguba na lagi, putol lagi ito ditong kuan.
Oh.
Ang ali sa ibabaw.
Amo na sila. Akatong kahoy. Ano kayo ko gingon nimo nga lansangan to kay naguba na bay pa man to.
Ay, sus.
Nagamit pa ko. Nagamit pa ta. Wala may laing dart na iti. May lang iti.
Ito na.
Oh, shake shake.
Check.
Shake shake. Ay sagna.
Okay. Asay.
Tarong ba?
Tarong side.
Tarong. Ano man lagi bagulbol? Maglagot ba ako anak ka siya? O ba akong sa mama kis pagkiti mong bagulbulan ba?
Ngani bagulbol si Dodo na tao.
Patuman nagitika karon.
Tao ang mata.
Gara kag maida.
Okay.
Okay.
Dele do.
Okay, good.
Yalan ka.
Let's try. Shake. Let's shake. A shake. A big boy. Shake. A big boy. The sweet boy.
Sweet boy. Okay.
Our human-faced calico cat. With a human eye and with a human smile. Dodo? Wala na ikaw bida, Dodo? Wala na ikaw bida?
Wala na siya. Si Frank lang ito.
Finish na ikaw bida? Very worn out. What do you want, Dodo? Another pink one? Have this one, Dodo? Dodo?
Sibin na.
Hindi lang. 11 gayet ng usa.
Yan.
Ano yun man? Okay ra to 3 part kung na 6 na to. Ayan, Dodo. Nater na, Dodo. Ha?
Ano? Hindi mo siya. Ayaw ko pagkwando.
Kamera shy ka, Do? Kamera shy ka?
Ayaw do.
Suwawan siguro siya. Suwawan ikaw, Dodo. Dako manggod ikaw mata, Dodo. Muna, suwaw. Muna, suwaw, Dodo. Your big eyes, manggod, Dodo. Hi. You are very beautiful lady. You are very beautiful lady, Dodo. Wala pa ikaw kasuway, anak, Dodo. Ating, daddy.
Okay.
This is Max.
Sila na.
The terminal case of a suspicious cat. Yes, Mac, our elder tuxedo princess. Mac. Huh? She wants to hide her beauty alone by herself.
Pagwapa ni mo? Angka?
Look at Mamana. Look at your Max. Huh? Still not healed with her suspicious disease. Very doubtful. Mama Ana has been saying that you should trust us. She's not listening, Mama Ana. She's not listening. Makamak.
Max.
You have nice eyes. Why don't you let them see your nice eyes? Nice yellow eyes. Makamak. It's been a riot catching her.
Next month ko, 1 year na.
1 year na sila.
Next month. August ba to? September na na nga na.
Makamek. Makamek.
Na to.
Let's max max. Let's max
Let's
max.
max.
Let's max 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 max.
Let's
Let's max max.
max.
Let's max max. Let's max max max.
Max.
She doesn't bite. She only hisses. Makamek. Okay, oh. You focus the eyes, Papa. You focus the eyes. Kung ano sa nandungan.
Oh.
It's a camera. Huh? She's a camera beauty.
Anak.
Right?
Okay.
We have not seen we have not seen the younger tuxedo, so we have to cut off this video. We will do the changing off camera. Hi, Wam. Asa ikaw do? Day. Wam. So thank you for watching. See you all on our next video. Thank you.
Si Max.